morning po.
Sir, ask ko lang po, in favor po ba kayo na gawin na ng Senado yung impeachment trial versus VP Sara Duterte?
I think sa akin, in my opinion, well, hindi ako masyado maalam pagdating sa politics. But I would say na very understandable kung bakit marami nagko-call sa impeachment ni Sara. Mostly, I think na for the fact na marami sa kanila. Syempre, nakikita yung medyo nagiging faults of the current administration. Not just with Sara, pero syempre with, the current president, with our current president and vice president. Nakikita ko rin na, the issues that we have, regarding yung confidential funds, yung for instance, yung pagiging, nangyayaring allegiances na yung nagiging sanhi ng conflict sa current president and vice president natin. Yung for instance, yung mga alliances kay Marcos versus sa Duterte's, general sense of the word. Na-understand ko naman syempre kung bakit may mga tao in favor sa impeachment ni Sara, mostly because nakikita ko nga na marami sa kanila they could see na yung impeachment as kasi ginamit lang nila to against the Dutertes, and syempre we could see na pwede siyang ammunition against the Dutertes, pero I think it's more than just that kasi marami sa kanila they only see the Dutertes as in my opinion as yung sa pangalan lang nila, hindi mismo sa I guess sa mga credentials or sa magawa nila, or in my opinion sa magawa nila na hindi in favor sa mga tao tulad namin who believe in a different progress sa Philippines, na sa view ng I guess ng sides na magde-defend sa mga Dutertes and whatnot. And I think na there's multiple views to it, pero either way it's very much understandable kung bakit marami nagko-call sa impeachment nila Sara. But if I'm being honest, I am more than open to listen to ano yung view as to why bakit maraming may mga tao pa rin na who are willing to stand for with the Dutertes. And
Pero kayo po talaga is you're agree on that na may impeach or magkaroon ng trial.
I would say in a sense probably mga 95%. Yes. I would say agree.
Okay sir, thank you po. Thank you.